Particularly if one person wins too many prizes, we'll have to turn it over to FBI.
Preeti pal mute mute kon mage sagna mute kari mage hang kari.
Right.
Okay, mute kele.
Okay, so welcome everyone to our first bingo night, and we were really surprised by this overwhelming response. It's very nice. Almost 100 people are there who have registered for this our first bingo night. And first of all, let me start with thanking Manohar Gurpur, because Taj Miti, he gave us, he used to play online bingo with his friends, and he called me up and said that why not have it for Kauka. So we went and saw the demo with him. So I would like to thank him first for bringing this to, Kauka. And secondly, I would like to thank our web team led by Nitin Pai and also Anuya and Prashant, and now others have also joined our web team. They have really slogged, and in sending each email, they were drafting each email, especially Nitin, and sent each email to everyone with the tickets. So I would like to really appreciate that from everyone. And now our host for tonight is Nitin Pai, the fun and funny Nitin Pai. So I'll hand it over to him to commence our bingo night.
Thank you, Kedar. So, Ami, I'll start with explaining the rules and also explain how to play, because we are going to play the virtual bingo. It's not a real bingo that we're going to play. Virtual bingo malari ava manually coins kartana the software asa. So basically, I'll ask the software give me an unique or random number from 1 to 90, and it will just give us a random number. So having said that, I'm going to first share my screen and start from the email that I sent you guys. Okay. Okay, so I'm sharing my screen.
Hey, Ram, Kudisana.
Yes.
Okay, now we get it. Okay.
So if you guys see here, Kedar, can you confirm?
Yes, we can see. Yes.
So just going over the email again, just for the sake of everybody knows how to play this. Okay. So tumka bingo ticket petela, and there is every sheet. So one bingo sheet has 6 tickets. So every sheet or the whole 6 tickets has one number at the top. This is the unique number that you need to remember. Okay. So yeah, sheet onto 6 tickets as such. The whole sheet is not one ticket, it is 6 tickets. Okay, so you need to play the game individually or separately with every different ticket. Okay, so tumhe pura bingo khelna shapura. You might have already played bingo, but this is a 90 number bingo where you have some blank spaces in between. Ignore the blank spaces. You don't have to worry about it. If you hit a number, when I call a number, if you have a number, just go ahead and mark that number. It's very simple, right? So how do you play this? So two options are, you can print it or write it down on a paper similar to this layout. The second option, which is little tricky or little different, you have to click this link here. When you click this link here, it will open the bingo ticket that we sent it to you. So you can play using your iPhone, iPad, or laptop, or whatever it is. Tum kata, when I call the number, if I say 22, you can actually go ahead and mark the number 22 on the ticket itself. So that way you can go ahead and mark any number anywhere here. Okay. And then
Nitin, one question. Can you hear me?
Yes.
My ticket number shows 72. The number is 72 there in my email.
Yes.
The unique ID you're talking about, it's 72. I hope it's not same for everyone.
No, it's not same for anyone. I randomly picked one ticket, which happens to be your ticket.
Okay, fine. I don't know. Hope it will now.
Okay.
Thank you.
you can go ahead and mark the numbers where I say here, and then you can also unmark it. Mistake kelli munja 75 chukkun marlara uncheck karachi. Okay, it's simple, right? And
tini line ki 5 line, tini line no?
Only 3 lines. This bingo has only 3 lines. Okay, so there are 6 tickets. Okay, this is a, if you have played Housey Housey in India, this is exactly the Housey Housey game. Okay, so
Nitin, the number ite udgas down give kami. The 272 ki 20 ki Miguel Anto kasan ki numbers pa. Why do you have to keep track
okay.
of that?
Yeah, why do you have to keep in? Why is because to me at the prizes there are couple of prizes. Jaldi 5, top row, middle row, last row, full house, which is full bingo, and second full house. Okay, so why do you have to remember is if you hit any of this prize or if you hit any of this, like if you complete Jaldi 5, you just have to say bingo and we'll stop the game and I'll ask you what is your ticket ID. Okay, you give me your ticket ID. You say my ticket ID is 072 and in my system I will validate that if you have actually won the prize. Okay, so how do I do that is I have a software here. Okay, I'm gonna call, as I said, this is gonna randomly give me numbers. So if you see here, these will be the numbers that I'll call. I'll say 37, 6, 29, 22, 26. Now, for example, Ramesh Ane or Ramesh Kamath says bingo. I'll ask, give me your ticket number. He's gonna say 072, right? I'm gonna check his card and I'll see if he has won the prize. It will show me if he has won the prize. If you have won the prize, you will get the prize.
Is there a way to cheat?
Nitin, only the horizontal lines will be taken into consideration, right?
Yes, that's right. Only the horizontal. So prizes apa sangta, the first 5 in any of these tickets. So 5 number, if you are spread across all the 6 tickets, it's not a win. Okay, you need to get 5 numbers in either of the tickets, like either on the first or the second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, all 5 numbers in one ticket. No columns, only rows. After that, there's a top row, you'll get a prize, middle row, you'll get a prize, last row, you'll get a prize. And then after this, we'll have 2 more. There's a full house, which is the full ticket. And then we will have a second full house. Any questions before we start?
Yeah, will you be typing the numbers somewhere too, or will it just be verbally said?
Yes, I forgot that, sorry.
Oh,
Kedar
it's okay.
would be typing the numbers, these numbers, in the chat window as and when I call it.
Okay, thank you.
Just one quick question. The Jaldi 5, the 5 numbers have to be anywhere on a ticket, correct? Or do they have to be in each row?
It doesn't need to be in one single row. It can be in any. It can be in any of the 6 tickets, right?
Right.
And
It has to be on each. It has to be in one ticket, but it can be spread out anywhere, correct?
Yes, that's right.
Okay.
And in Nitin, full house is the one of the 6 tickets or all the 6 tickets?
One of the 6 tickets.
One of the 6, right? Yeah.
These rules apply basically to each ticket.
Yeah.
So one request, this is Deepa, one request, since we have 6 tickets, can you like give us some time to like go through the, when you call one number, we have to go through 6 tickets. So you'll give us some time, right? Between the 2 numbers you call?
Yes. So
Yeah, okay.
initially I'll go slow. Okay. So
Okay.
another tip is that if you see column wise, right? Usually every column represents every tenth. That's not exactly how it is, but it is usually.
Yeah. Oh, okay, got it.
Usually, but
And
don't.
also that,
Yeah, don't strictly go with that rule because I've seen numbers like the 20s coming in tenths and 90 comes in the last one. But still, but that's the general rule. Like, you can try with that.
yeah, also one more question. Jaldi 5, right? It has to be in the one ticket or any 6, the 5 in any of the 6. I didn't get what you were saying before.
Five numbers in one ticket.
Okay.
It is related to only one ticket, not.
Okay.
Assume that you have purchased
Okay.
6 tickets.
Yeah.
Nitin, what if you two people win the same thing?
Who asked this question?
Prakash.
Okay, so we'll see what we do. So usually Kedar has asked us to keep the surprise element. So I think I'll answer that when we hit that road.
If and when we hit that.
If and when we hit that.
But Nitin, to main point sangani, main rule. Ki whoever wins each point has to sing one song, okay? Karaoke.
Okay, so we'll think about that if we really need to implement. Okay, so any questions?
90 songs in total.
Yeah, 90 songs in total if we need to do that.
Nitin,
Okay.
one thing.
Yes.
In case, I know, in the excitement, people may say bingo, but not unmute. So first unmute and then say bingo if you are on mute.
Yeah, so Slovata, initially I'll go slow, only in the middle, probably to just save time, we'll go little faster based upon everybody, how comfortable everybody is. But do check the chat window. And then I've seen a lot of people already typing in the chat window is, what are the prizes? Questions at the so prizes. So again, prizes are cash money. So I'll tell the amount as and when I go. Okay. So the first prize is the first category of the prize is the Jaldi 5, and we're gonna say it's gonna be $10. The prize money is $10. Okay. Any other questions before we start?
Nitin, there is a question from Sachin. He's asking, can we type bingo or should we say bingo? Better to say. No?
It's better to say. Let's all. So again, we have unmuted you. Sorry, we have muted you all, but doesn't mean that you need to be muted for the entire time. It's a bingo. It's a game. Please feel free to unmute and say bingo. Don't type. Please don't type. Miss Jatta, say unmute and bingo, and then I'm going to stop. It's okay to make noise. It's okay to make jokes down the line. You don't have to be in mute. So let's all play together.
So Nitin, this is Sujata. Once again, sorry, you've already answered this, but we play all the tickets, right? But we can only win on one.
That's right.
Okay.
See, you can win on one, but you might get a Jaldi 5 on one ticket and you might get a first row in some other ticket. That's still okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
When in the chat window, I'll be typing the numbers, but I'll be typing like first colon and the number. So you'll come to know which call it is. So 1:25. Suppose the first call of Nitin is 25.
No, okay, you don't have to probably. I think
the numbers,
just the numbers, Puro.
Okay, that.
Nitin, just one more quick question before we start. So if you win any of the prizes on one ticket, then that ticket becomes void?
No.
So you can win multiple prizes on one ticket, correct?
Yes.
Okay, fine.
The ticket is valid until the second full house goes for somebody.
Got it.
The ticket is valid, but suppose the first row is done, then the next person who finishes first row will not. The first row is gone.
That category of prize is gone. If somebody claims first row, then we cannot give that prize to somebody else coming later.
Hello?
Nitin, also, if somebody wins the full house, he doesn't qualify for the second full house, okay?
Manoru, the work from home on a card and it's all Muratwa.
Why there?
So, Ramesh ma'am must ullaitas munjalara. I'll say I'll do this sound. If you hear this sound, you probably have to like.
I have to shut up. I know that, but Manohar need like card and it's all
Or you can just mute him only.
Hey, Nitin,
Okay, guys, any serious questions? Otherwise, we'll start. Everybody's waiting.
Hey, Nitin, I have a question. If two people guess at the bingo at the same time,
Then we will see what to do then.
With COVID mask and 95.
Yeah, so come whoever, see, we'll put a little bit challenging and interesting rules for everybody. Tajikatira waggi on waggi bingo manachi. Let's see who says first, and then let us decide.
oh my God.
Okay? So be alert. Don't come after like 2 minutes and 5 minutes. So don't come after. Definitely as soon as I call a number and before I call the next number, that's when you have to claim. You cannot claim after 3 numbers. Okay? Or you can definitely claim, but it might go for somebody else.
Manor, Jaleb couch. Jaleb couch. Dak konak maka.
Tuk monda kita sir. Tugel navar kata sir. Tuk masu preeti na Jalebi.
Kandida. Rabatu next time yaw to maale maka.
Okay, guys, are you guys ready?
Yeah.
For the first number.
Yes. Bingo.
Okay, I'm gonna call the first number. Oh, this has never happened in the past. So first number is 1.
Never happened in the past, Malakasandra.
First number is 1.
Oh, that means I'm lucky.
It's a lone ranger. Okay, I'm going for the second. Second number is 54. 5 and 4, 54.
Nitin, there's a big lag between when you say second number and the number. Is there? I'm getting this latency because you don't want me to win.
No, the latency nahi. So that's what I said, that I'm gonna be very slow to start with. I'll continue to. I mean, the pace solve increase kar padam.
Okay.
Ramesh ma'am, all of Kauka is playing, you don't win.
Okay.
Ramesh ma'am.
हाँ सांग.
Active speaker agale ne Nitin alla lip movement track kar.
Why correct? Oh, that's a good idea. But mak दोन screen toggle करता इसका ना हो रहा है. कष्ट जाता.
Nitin, Konkani sang.
Can we play bingo?
Yes. Next number 76.
Is it possible to say G76?
Something.
The digits, letters.
Yeah, so the thing is that in this bingo, you don't have a mapping alphabets to the number column.
Okay.
So that's a 75 number bingo which you are referring to. This is a 90 number bingo. So what you have to do is, if I say, since I said 76, you have to check for the 6th and the 7th row.
Correct.
6th and the 7th row.
Row or column?
Sorry, column. Sorry.
Column.
Yeah, that's what I was wondering. What is 6th and 7th row?
Sorry, my bad. Yeah, column. Okay, next number is 32.
Called Buckle My Shoes, 32.
Yeah.
Nitin ma'am, jaldi fai jalda.
Wait, koda na?
Bingo monka.
4 numbers.
Sure, only 4 numbers have been called. How can you be jaldi fai?
Yeah. So the next number is that when India won the first World Cup.
83.
83.
Bingo.
Bingo.
Yeah.
Bingo.
पूरा जल्दी 5 टिकट नहीं एक टिकट 5 का.
Oh, okay.
एक टिकट 5.
retracting my bingo.
ना करून जाय ना तशी.
So anybody wants to claim Jaldi 5, real Jaldi 5?
It's in any of the 6 tickets, right? Any of the 6 tickets.
No.
नारे कौन रहते हैं?
रूल ऐका पुढे त्यांची पुढे.
Okay, next number. Ramesh Mamal age.
अयो सांगू नका पुरा जनका.
100 आले.
33 का
18.
Okay. Half century, 50.
Aha, that's not bad.
33.
शांति कर रहे थे.
Confused, yeah. 33 or 50? What is
the number?
What is it? 33 or 50?
50. Half century.
Don't put other numbers. Yeah, you get so confused.
Yeah, it's confusing. One is saying 33, one is saying 50. Please don't confuse.
Can you when you say the numbers, can you mute everyone because it gets confusing?
नहीं करनी 33 is आएंगी.
Okay, so let me repeat the numbers. Okay, 1, 54, 76, 32, 83, and now it's 50.
Did you say 33?
No.
No.
Okay, 1, 54, 76, 32, 83, and it's 50. Next is Kunal's age, 10. Any claims for Jaldi 5?
We don't have 5 on 1.
Big fat hen 10. Okay, the next number.
Jaldi 2 aski.
Jaldi 2 na. Stuck in the tree, 53.
Bingo, it's Diksha Kamath.
Bingo.
Okay, so let's validate Diksha Kamath here. Diksha, तुका number कितना?
066 ID.
Hey Nitin.
Okay, so Diksha has got the Jaldi 5 on the 5th ticket.
Yep.
Yeah. Yes. Woohoo!
So anybody else wants to claim Jaldi 5?
We have Jaldi 5 on ticket 94.
Say bingo. If you guys want to claim, say bingo.
Bingo.
Who is it?
Tripti.
Tripti?
Yeah.
What's the number?
It's 01889.
089.
Yeah.
Tripti, kasan hai? Last name?
Tripti Kamath.
Tripti Kamath, you have won the Jaldi 5 on your 2nd ticket.
Yes, that's right.
Perfect. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Jaldi 5 winners.
Thank you guys. Thank you so much.
Bingo.
Awesome.
Any more Jaldi 5 claims?
Yes. Bingo on your ticket 94.
094.
094?
Yep.
Oh, so who is this?
Trushant Kalyanpur.
Sushant.
Trushant.
Trushant Kalyanpur. Congratulations. You won your Jaldi 5 on your 3rd ticket.
Yes, thanks.
Congratulations. Kedar, I must do home at the 3 winners. Jaldi 5. Come on.
$3.33 $3.33.
So before this call, we had an argument, and I was telling Kedar that absolutely there's only one Jaldi 5 winner, and then now we have 3. Any more claims before we close the Jaldi 5?
Can I say something though? Jaldi 5 means 1, the first person who wins it. So,
yay, that's me.
Kedar, Trishant Kalyanpur.
Go, Trishant Kalyanpur. Preeti, note down karta hai naam.
Okay, so no more Jaldi 5s. We will move on to the rows category. So the next category is either the top row or the middle row or the last row.
Any one row.
And Kedar, do you want to announce the prize money for these?
Yes, for the single rows, it is $10 each. So if you win one row each, you will be getting $10 each.
So after Jaldi 5 Tag Jana Mela, we're not splitting it. Okay,
Yeah.
each one of you will get $10.
Wow.
Yes. So
Thank you, guys. Yeah.
yes, so it is. I thought you were asking for the future prizes, Muno, but it is for the Jaldi 5. It is $10 each, and each one will be getting $10 each.
Yeah, and the future rows is also $10. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Yeah.
good, Kedar.
Go ahead, Nitin.
Yeah. Let's resume the game. Lucky 2, 72. It's 72. Any claims for the first row or the second or the last? Okay. Next number, Konkani Tangal favorite number.
7. Okay.
7 or Pauna Amka. Don't 7. So it is 77. Anybody wants to knows why we like 7? साढ़े सात शह नहीं मैं
7.5 नहीं.
It is 7 squared.
बड़ा केदार अंते बिंगो समित 7 घंटा स्टार्ट केला आज.
हाँ वही कसं सिग्निफिकन्स रे
कॉक की म्हणता ची अब आमका
हाँ त्या सकड जन असतं रे कॉक क्या.
Okay, so next number again there is a 7 in this which is 37.
Nitin, before 77 kale na no, because someone was asking here. 53 magir 77 no?
No, 72. Okay, I'm going to announce the numbers again. 1, 54, 76, 32, 83, 50, 10, 53, 72, 77, 37. So next number, there is a myth saying that women start flirting around that age.
ओहो
सांग रे नितीन कंचे.
तू का गोत्ता शापुरा
वसंता कितने ते जाओ कहता है number. So next number is 30. There's a myth I said.
30.
Next number. Playing cards are kitla shed cards are
52.
52. Next number is 52.
52.
The next number 61. Any claimers?
Last row. Kancha, last row?
61.
51.
61, 6 and 1.
61 ರ
61. 61, 6 and 1. 51 number any? So next number, rise and shine, 49. Next number,
लेकिन सम हले रहे सम भरे है ना.
Next number 8. Lata. कौन तलाट सोच है? Any claimers? कोणी नाव आहे?
तू लायक नंबर पुरा काना मागीर कोणी नाव म्हणून निमगे तो
55.
पण एक नंबर येऊ का की म्हाका
2.1
रमेश मैम तुगेल टिकेट नंबर हम ब्लैक लिस्ट को अंदवारला सुरेश
ताजी कदेराची एक काही नंबर येनी मारा
तुके स्पेशल प्राइस दवारला एवरी टाइम वी हैव अ स्पेशल प्राइस
जाल्यार हांव नेक्स्ट टाइम देखून बिंगोच घेना पळय हांव
रमेश मामान actually at पिंगर chat केला आमका that if he win the bingo is gonna donate his Tesla car for the third bingo house.
Oh. Elon Musk can tweet पेटेल ना तस जावन हांव retweet केलें
रमेश माम कितले चड उलय तितले एक प्राइस चड जाता वता ओके नेक्स्ट नंबर
नितिन खुशी निमगीतस खरे तो कार देतस
next number Valentine's Day 14. Next number Indian Independence Year
45.
47. Who said that 45? America rabun India pura guru sarta. Apas repeat karta numbers 1, 54, 76, 32, 83, 50, 10, 53, 72, 77, 37, 30, 52, 61, 49, 8, 55, 14, and now 47.
Hey Nitin, yes. A suggestion please. To numbers when you call 6 tickets to follow through is very difficult.
Yes, I got
it. Instead of that order in the order in which it came, if you read it in ascending order, it's easier to kind of go through, if that's possible. And again,
So after what we'll do is that I will repeat only the last 5 digits.
Okay, that makes sense.
So next time we will try to improvise this process.
Correct. Okay.
I realized that when I was reading it, but thanks for telling me.
But also it will help if nobody else says the numbers. Different people are saying the numbers, so you can't figure out what is the right number or not. So only you should say the numbers. Nobody use another number. Otherwise, it's very confusing.
Yeah.
So yeah, but we also want people to talk and make fun. So
we can talk without saying numbers. No, you don't have to say a number to talk. You can do all other gocha.
Nitin, the problem dalan tugel nimete tu Miguel age declare kellen chi 10 jana age declare kel Miguel.
So तुगल बदाये जा सांगत सगळ्यां के आता
नका सांगू नका.
Okay guys, so here is what we can do. We can still talk, we can still tell the numbers, but don't tell it in English. Okay? Tell the numbers in some other language. And everybody else catch the number only if I say it and that's in English. Okay? Okay, let's move on. Next number. Last age of the teen, 19. Dancing Queen, 17. Forever, 21. So last 5 digits apas 5 numbers Hagur Santa. So 55. 14. 1 4 14. 4 7 47. 19. 1 9 19. 1 7 17. 1 7 17. 2 1 21. 2 1 21.
Can you go in descending order, please?
That's actually not possible for me.
Just kidding, just kidding.
Yeah, I didn't know it was a joke or it's a real ask.
नितीन तान इंटरवल जेव्हा दी का पिऊ चेक थोडे जण कोप येतं असं
कळलं तोप काढ म्हणून सांग काय करते वचन.
टाइम प्लीज म्हणून का.
Next number 5.
तू नितीन ते हाताने नेशकोन दाखला तू स्टॉप म्हळ्या म्हण केदाल म्हाका ते नंबर 5 वा
Number 5. Come 5. 5.
When you Konake miss Salarang, all the numbers are in the chat window.
Okay, good idea.
रमेश आणि के विन जाय नाही रे तू वेळ तो पण करतास
ते चावलकले मनोवर साऊंड कशी ना आहे त्या म्हणून पॉट भरलं दिसता जेवण कोण.
Anybody wants to claim? So next number 4 dozen.
4 dozen.
48.
First row.
Oh, bingo है कौन?
Who is this bingo?
Prashant.
Prashant Shene. तुम्ही number सांगा.
कसं number?
Ticket number.
Ticket number.
032. First row.
First row. Unfortunately, you guys have won the first row.
Unfortunately.
Congratulations, Prashant Shene.
Thank you.
So first row, any more claimers? Matla gella.
Preeti, chika boron get tu. Okay, thank you.
Baritas.
Thank you.
Kedar, that's a nice one, yaar. You are not playing. Preeti is playing, and still she has to write it.
And manage both the kids.
And managing the kids.
Nitin, kasan tugal plan na?
Nitin, 45 झाले 41.
Nah, 45 giant.
Okay.
Okay, next number 12. 1 and 2.
Bingo.
Wow, 2 bingos.
Middle.
12.
So who is this? Can you tell me your name?
Prakash.
Prakash, can you tell me your card number?
076.
Oh, Prakash Prabhu.
वय आमगेल सिंगर रे ताण झालं एक करिओके सॉन्ग पद म्हणत होता.
फ्री गडबड दिवे
Kanchi line.
Prakash ma'am, which line?
Middle row, okay, middle row.
Okay, so Prakash Prabhu is claiming middle row. So Kashi, based on audience, let us decide if I still have to validate it. So Tajipur ek Prakash ek sana ek 2 lines पर दिमोण किमोण. No.
Wait.
Middle line मान रहे.
Prakash ma'am, against let's keep our audience very happy. Can you sing a song on a special request?
The favorite.
Only midline of the song. Okay.
Pavitra, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಾನ್ ತಿರುಪಿ ಪದ್ಯ ತಶಿ ಬಾಯ್ರತ್ತ.
Duet.
Okay, here goes. हम तेरे बिन अब रह नहीं सकते, तेरे बिना क्या वजूद मेरा, तुझसे जुदा अगर हो जाएंगे तो खुद से ही हो जाएंगे जुदा. Thank you.
Thank you, Prakash. So, thank you so much. So, Ramesh Mama, just let this be a lesson. So, next maybe we'll ask to dance.
Correct. Khandita. Manohar Alek dance da next.
Prakash, unfortunately, तुक मेल नहीं रहता है.
अयो.
So yeah, Prakash is one. That was just. Prakash has claimed the second row. That's the center, Madhya row, and that prize goes to Prakash Prabhu.
Thank you.
Any more claimers? I heard two bingo. Was it you both saying it or somebody else?
I'm not sure.
Hey Nitin, for the first row, can we still claim?
No, we are done with the first row.
Okay. Sorry, I didn't hear.
Okay, so we have only 3 prizes left. This is the last row, full house and second full house. So Edolte, we called only 25 numbers. Okay. Okay.
Hey, Nitin ma'am.
Yes.
Do you want me to tell the numbers in the sequence?
Yeah, go ahead. If
I put them in Excel and sorted it. So it starts with 1.
Milind ma'am, just a thought here that if you make a mistake, then everybody will be in trouble.
Oh.
You still want to do that because I'm a little scared if you make a mistake here.
Okay, then let's proceed.
Can I make a suggestion? Can everybody write down the number on the side of their paper?
No. Okay. No, actually, Archana has been writing here, so I can.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Okay, because only 1 row is left.
Yeah, even we are writing on a paper.
Okay. So you want me to read?
No, Milind ma'am, sorry. I think we should
carry on then.
Because if there is a mistake, then everybody
Manoj is writing on a paper. Yeah.
Ma'am, you can dance. We don't mind if you dance.
Yeah, I'll give you some phone time later for another joke. Just to
No.
Okay, so did I say 87?
No.
Okay, so next number is 87.
Huh?
87, 8 and 7. Mil ajja leje. Tedna. Okay. Okay, next number 36. What does 36 signify?
Chatti Sankra.
What does it signify, Nitin?
Yeah, I don't want to say that.
Oh boy.
बाहेर लगे बसला तेच जाऊन नव्हतं बसलो.
कंची कोणा धैर्यच पडा म्हणून.
मगल बायलेन म्हण रे 36 आकडो म्हणून.
ओहो आवलेगला नितिन अल पॅन्ट साइज म्हणून.
नितिन म्हणत तू चेंज कर काय म्हणून माता कसे की लेक तोंडा कसे की सांगा. Number Winnie the Pooh 42.
Bingo, bottom row.
Bingo.
Bottom row.
Bingo.
कितले जणांना बिंगो म्हण रे?
Okay, so let's go one by one. So
26.
Bingo. Prithvi Bhatt 43.
Okay, hold on guys. So we'll go with the Suresh Naik who first said, I guess. Suresh Naik, what's your number?
026.
026.
Bottom line.
Bottom line on the first ticket. Yes, you have won it. Congratulations. So next, Suresh Naik ek medla bottom row. Next corner, Prithvi va?
Yeah, Prithvi Bhatt 043.
043. Bottom line on the first ticket again. That's right.
Yes.
Yeah, Prithvi Bhatt has won. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Anybody more? Any more claims?
Yes, one more. 061
What's your name?
Tripti Pai.
Oh wow, Dodi Pantwa.
नहीं इधर तृप्ति कामत.
Okay, sorry, Tripti Kamata, Tripti Pai. Pura jana Tripti munna or Sorry, what's the number?
061.
Oh, again, first ticket, bottom line.
Are?
Tag jana ke first ticket averi bottom line mele.
Yes.
Congratulations.
Nitin, ticket are ye khanche cancellation nas like prizes wa.
Empty house.
We will put you in quarantine for like 14 days.
Late 0.
Any more claims? So we have 3 people claiming the bottom row. Any more?
Poor Nitin.
Preeti, just reduce some temperature on the AC or something.
AC on kon yata.
Okay, next number.
So each one will get $10 here for the bottom row.
Okay, so yeah, next is the full house. Kedar, do you want to announce the price?
A full house, the person will be getting $50 in cash. And here, because it's a big prize, if it is multiple winners as there, they will be split among the winners.
Or one who dances or sings nicely will get it.
That will be Tripti again.
Okay, so next number. Did I say 81?
No.
Okay, next number is 81. Next number is Catch the Chore, 64. Next number, Two Beautiful Legs, 11. Next number is 62. Chaka. 6. It's 6. So last panch number apa sangta. 81. 8 and 1, 81. 6 and 4, 64. 11, 1 and 1, 11. 62, 6 and 2, 62. And the last number that I called was 6. Next number is 38. Yeah, Konal size the pant acha. line 20.
Itla?
Number is 20. 2 and 0, 20. So charity begins at what age? 51.
आमकां charity कोण गोतना ते जावन गोतना ते number.
51.
Start earlier also.
At what age do you retire?
59.
58. So 59 is not called. Okay. So last three numbers, 20, 51 and 58. $65. 6 and 5, 65. Next number. What is the number if you multiply by 12 into 7? 84. 84. 8 and 4, 84. Any claimers?
How is it looking, Ramesh?
I'm getting there very slowly.
If it was in the auditorium, you would have won already.
Yes.
Anike mast number call karcha sir. We have called only the 1/3 of the 90 numbers. Don't worry, a lot of numbers to be called.
I can feel the nervousness in a lot of folks. They're approaching the century.
Okay, next number. 41. Kiss and run. By the way, यहाँ पूरा पेटेल अलमक मनोरा ना kiss and run नहीं आता.
लेकला नितिन अलग पर कहीं तो नहीं लपा मना नवे ची.
मनोर मामा अंते kiss and run ना bold कौन पेटेल आपा कैसे? Next number. 80. 80.
It's supposed to be Gandhi's breakfast. What does it mean?
I don't really know what does that mean.
Yeah, I know.
Dil mange more. 34.
पूरा जो इंटेंशन करो ना मैं जाता सर.
कैसे जाता सर? संजय ना तो.
Bingo जाता bingo almost.
ओए टेंशन करो ना.
House.
Tagal jaman जाता सर. तस त्यामन तस.
जलवा चुनिया मान.
नाही त्या 80 हांव लेक्चर तान चा मात दिसता काणी ताका 80 म्हण आसता.
चहा पिलची जाय ना म्हण ना.
Oh, did I call 34? Yes, I did. 34 jala. Next number. 39.
एक नंबर चल. लास्ट रो डाल ना.
पूरा रो जला. So we are left with only the full house and second full house.
What about third full house? Tesla.
You have to become the president of Kaoka for that.
विनाकारण रमेश रूम येत मला कशी
रमेश मामा कन्ना तुला दोरत असते
भयंकर मी सांगते माहित का तिला दोर या ना आता तुला ऐकून प्राइस ऐकून मग काय ना बहीण लागला.
Okay, next number 78.
78. Okay.
Heaven's Gate kai 78 ari. I just want to ask everybody, should I go slow or should I go a little faster?
No, this is correct. This is correct.
Good pace.
Slow. Yeah, this is.
Okay, I'm hearing this is correct. Okay.
Yeah.
Next number. Halfway there, okay, 45.
कसन बिंगो कोण
अरे क्लेम करू नका ती फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड फुल हाऊस थर्ड फुल हाऊस टेस्ला असं.
वय.
That's a nice strategy. Next number 75, Diamond Jubilee.
You know, I noticed that in one set of 6 cards, a number is there only in one card. It's not repeated in any.
That's a good point. You know, even I wanted to clarify that. एक number मिळाला रे कंचे एक कार्ड अर्थ असतं multiple cards त्या number असताना.
Okay, so that might be a coincidence because as per the website rules, they said you can group tickets as much as you want based on whether it's 5 tickets in one page or 4 tickets in one page. So we grouped it. So I am guessing that's just a coincidence.
Oh, okay.
So I was wondering if it was intentional too because we have the same thing.
Yeah, because anytime any number I get, it will only be in one card, not in multiple.
One card. Yeah.
One more point is invariably there will be one number in one of the cards.
Okay.
Invariably.
So, okay, we can look into this. But is there anybody in this group who has got one number repeated in any other tickets or in multiple tickets?
No.
And anyone missed any number when called? Invariably, we got the number in one of the sheets, right?
नहीं that question नहीं कोणा जो एक number
दोन question. First question is one time one number only, and second is invariably one of the tickets had that number.
Yes.
Always. Yeah.
Both of those hypotheses are true, I think.
So you are saying that every time I call, you will pick one number from the 6.
Yeah.
But just to be sure, just check all your tickets. It takes couple of extra seconds because just to be sure.
Yeah. Every time I see all the numbers called, there is one number in one of the tickets.
Okay. So let's hold on. I got it. So we have 2 theories here. I just want to confirm it just to improvise for our second game. The first theory says that a number never gets repeated in any of the tickets.
Yes.
Somebody can. Correct. Is there at least one who can say no, this is wrong in my tickets?
Something.
Okay. The second rule or the theory is that every time I call a number, you are definitely checking one out of the 6 one.
Yes. So it kind of makes sense because each ticket has 15 numbers. You have 6 tickets totaling to 90, and there are 90 total numbers that we are playing for.
Okay.
You get the number in the same box, you are the luckiest because you can pick maximum in the same box. But
okay, so anyway, again, if you see the brighter side of it, there's an advantage. You check a number, you don't have to check the other tickets.
That's correct. That's a good one.
Okay, so if you see the brighter side,
made a good decision of splitting. That
Okay,
means
but definitely I will check the website at Angel Kasale. Why is this happening? Because let's see how we can improvise. So again, just to say, since we are talking about on this topic, next bingo game, which is after a month or so, okay, is very interesting. Okay, it will be not with the numbers, it will be with something else. Okay. Exactly. So you guessed it right, Ramesh Mam. So it's gonna be with Dalitoy and Surnakut and Odi and Apollo. Yeah, so we're gonna play a food bingo, Konkani food bingo next time. But there's no losers in that game. Malari, pura jana prize medal kashi win jatachi. Prize medal natilan te kashi ticket kanu fridge jardo no sangla jala mak pai yarandap jai para yarandap jai.
नितिन माम को नो तुमको डिलीवर करता
Nitin Mama na Kedarasa on the line. Okay, so fun aside, so next bingo, please join. It's going to be a paid bingo. It is going to be very interesting and a lot of fun awaited for that. And Kawaka support Karachi. So yapan the 100 families, almost 100 families joined. Around like every family 3-4 people. We have like 400 people. It's as good as a Yugadi event right now. So many people online. Kawaka. So good job to Kedar and everybody in the team. Also, don't forget to support Kawaka for the next event playing. It's a paid bingo. Okay. So next, we'll move on. So did I call 68?
No.
Okay. Next number is 68. And the number before 68 is 75. In case if I missed it.
To call Kelal Nitin.
Yeah. Okay. 68. So next number. Yet to be kissed, 15. 1 and 5, 15.
नितिन तो कल पूरा गुट तो पूरा संगु रख मारा
Amala na Suraka and Manoran Patel Almono.
Ah, okay, good.
I'm just the news reader, yes.
अच्छा अच्छा
Manorani Kedar and Raat Bur Basin Barel al sheet here. Hey, Vasila Managot Namati. Okay, next one.
Makakante Nitin al name.
Okay, next number 60, 6 and 0.
6 and 0.
$57.
Huh?
Next number is 57, 5 and 7. Middle jal rate te photo frame agal te won't lambot.
Wait.
Okay, next number. Sweet family 3. Number 3. Aila Konkani number again 7. Very unlucky number for some, but it's definitely a lucky number for many. 13, 1, 3. Next number is 40, 40. Naughty 40. Silver Jubilee 25. $85. Number 70, 7 and 0.
Nitin, joke sang rahe. Tension etta ase.
Milind ma'am, tugala anik joke asura. Or anybody wants to say a joke? Pura jana dodwa chechi. Joke naka.
One joke gale.
Milind ma'am, time for one shairi. People are getting tensed here.
शायरी ना मामा. जरा एक statement है sir.
Sang Milind.
To jog up your memory कहीं memory game करो कि संगो कि COVID joke संगो.
तू सांग. We'll decide.
पढ़ा है. For a small memory game to pass time at home if you're getting bored is try to remember the date of the first meeting with your wife. Okay. And what was the color of the dress that she wore that day? Okay. What was the first gift you gave your wife? And don't consider your first offspring as a gift. So enough for now. Let's proceed.
This is more.
idea dittar sir.
मिलिंद लाजा अंदाल दिसता म्हणून काय like memory game सांगता असतो आमका.
This is definitely more tense than what.
Right.
Now everybody is in more tensed now.
नितीन मामा तुगेल प्राय सा नी तू सगळ्याशी म्हणच्यानच जा आमगेल आणि प्राय अरे तन कसन म्हणत की तू
अरे करेक्टली गेस केलं प्राइस इसकी
या पण मिलिंद मामल टेस्टला देऊया.
संजय आणि करेक्टली सांग पुरा मी.
Right.
जला जालन्याची
आणि एक कोविड आता since we are taking a break COVID joke घ्या रे.
हां.
A sneeze in time infects 9.
So you started English shairi also.
Any ash kai divided we live, united we die.
Amgela WhatsApp asa Milind ma'am.
But the question is to find it on time. Awesome.
पाप मिलिंद मामा कंचे प्राइज मिलने म्हणून पाप आमके पूरा मत करता सर.
Right.
कोई भोजपुरी हो जाए.
Okay, let's move on.
Okay, move on.
So number 27. 2 and 7, 27.
मेरे 2 नंबर महत्वाला बघी कर.
73. Seven and 3, 73. Oh, flirty wife का definition 35.
No, राक भयंकर मारा.
This is not appropriate.
होय.
सांगून जातर सांगता.
Quarantine जाऊची guarantee ना.
23. Next number is 23.
Middle.
26. So anybody wants to claim? So interesting fact, Kasamalari. We all sent the bingo tickets, and then it's written BKB bingo. BKB bingo kasana BKB mala kasamon. Pura jana prize money kitla prize money kitla.
How nimgilya? केदारनाथ निमगिल्या
वेबसाइट वर
नाही बीकेबी म्हणकल्ले म्हणून केदारनाथ निमगिल्या
मक बीकेबी मुख्य नितिन मामा मक बीकेबी मुख्य की मक दुड्ड मुख्य सांग त्या सांग.
Venkat has an excellent answer. Venkat first.
बलि का बकरा.
आज ही फ्री बार है, नेक्स्ट टाइम बलि का बकरा.
बॉर्ड काउच बिंगो के कौन की मना लंगा. Next number 33.
Kala?
33, 3 and 3, 33.
33 no है?
Why?
Last 33.
Next number. Doni Thora Manisha. 88.
Lot of tension. Lot of folks have just 1 or 2 numbers for full house.
Looks like many people are getting closer.
Yeah. Yes.
नितिन मामा नंबर कार्ड मारे છે કે ટેન્શન જતા સા.
संतोष अलगलवे बिंगो मन बरला था ना.
कौन है?
No, Santosh is saying that it is BKB, bingo khel bhai ke. Nice one.
Okay, the expansion of BKB.
74.
राप रे सडनली तो नंबर कॉल को नका. कंच की नंबर कॉल कर तुम्हारे तो.
704.
What's the last number, Nitin? Sorry.
Okay, so 88. I'm going to repeat last 3 numbers. 88, 74, 7 and 4, and then 24, 2 and 4.
Hey, Bangal, bingo. 24. This is Sharmila. I got bingo.
Okay, so
can I tell you my?
Oh, congrats, Sharmila.
Hold on, guys.
तू 24 मानिशिला.
Wait, 24 minutes.
ना 24 मानी.
आता मळणं ना आता मळणं पुढे.
Okay, hold on, guys. Okay, 74, and then it is 24.
Kala?
So 24. Wait, hold on, guys.
Yeah.
24. Check
Yeah.
number 24.
I have bingo.
Same. We have bingo too.
आणि सुधीर भट्ट फॅमिली बिंगो काही.
Yeah.
Okay, hold on, guys. Hold on. I'll go one by one. Okay.
Oh, wait. Not me. I retract. Not me. I think I am one.
Okay, Preeti, can you put everybody on
The
mute?
other person.
The ID.
Okay, Nitin, mute केला. Nitin, unmute कर तू का?
So we have put everybody on mute. So don't worry, I'm not gonna jump.
017.
Okay, so who is this?
Sudhir Bhatt and family.
Okay, Sudhir Bhatt and family has one claim. Is there anybody else?
No,
No. Okay, Sharmila
family.
took her claim back. So Sudhir Bhatt, can you tell me your number?
017. It's the first ticket. The topmost ticket.
Yes, you guys have won the full house on the first ticket.
Good job. Good job.
Anybody else? Anybody else claiming full house? No. Sharmila, what happened? Did you Missed by something? Unmute.
Yeah, I found one number that I I need on 2 tickets. So
Repeat the last 3 numbers.
Okay, I'm gonna repeat the last 3 numbers. 88, 74, 24. Sharmila, can you tell me your ticket number, please?
no, I still need one more number on it. It's 002, my ticket number.
Yeah, you still have.
Yeah, one of them has one number.
Okay, so full house again. So next is the second full house, and it's the last one, unless somebody comes out and donates something. Okay. So Kedar, do you want to announce the second full house
Yes.
prize?
Yes. Second full house is $30. You will be given through PayPal, cash.
Okay. Next number is 59.
Bingo. Where is it?
So who is this?
Deepak.
Your number?
012.
First and last name, Sangat, please.
Deepak Pai.
So Deepak Pai, congratulations, you have won the second bingo.
Thank you.
Congrats.
Good job!
Congratulations.
Nitin, I'll just read out all the winners.
Kedar, अनेक suggestion असे एक third full house वर $100 अच्छा.
Okay, so Ramesh ma'am wants to voluntarily come and give $15.
Yes, yes. Let's make it a third full house.
Okay, let's go for it.
Yeah.
And okay, sponsored by Kauka. Let's go for it.
Yes.
Sponsored by Kawaka, not forced to Ramesh ma'am, but still.
Yes, but fourth Tesla Medka.
Why?
So yeah, on popular demand, we are going for the third full house. Con ticket pin the noodle. Apas the trash would don't know that ticket. Okay, Asana reward na te $15 jaw kata.
Sharmila, you still have hope. Sharmila, you still have hope.
Why?
Magale ek number varla.
Okay.
Megale,
Then not much hope.
This is my
Then not
daughter
much
doing it here.
Ticket varla.
Me too, I need 118.
Wow, lot of people with one number. Nitin, एक like number काट रहा.
Like number मला Miguel dual ticket anti ek varla change number आवाज जिता सर.
Uncle, ek number varla.
Wow. Oh, wow.
Kedar, I think everybody spilled the beans here. So everybody said there's one number left. So I think we should stop.
Yeah. We should stop probably.
I have tons of numbers. Tons of numbers. You can go. If it has, we have 2 more numbers, but we want to try.
Okay.
$15.
No price. Not 4th and 5th.
Okay, Nitin, let's go for the third thing. If there are multiple winners, then we split the amount, $15.
Hey Kedar, how about next bingo you give that person a free ticket instead of giving money
Oh, sure.
for the next bingo
So
instead of $15.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Sharmila, to Bombay Sony itlu वर्ष झाले, still bargaining Sony.
I'm still दिल मेरा बम्बई का है.
Okay, let's go for it.
Okay, so I think let's do something real here. Okay, so if we get, there are high chances that many people will get the third bingo, no doubt. Okay, together. So whoever sings or shows any talent unique, also that will add up to the chances of getting the third bingo for sure. Okay? So that's the rule. We'll play it all in the fun. Okay. So we have to sing, dance, or do anything, or like ladai karachi we'll give you bonus points. Okay. Kasa jalal jatta. Yes, pisulachi kasa jalal. Okay. That's the rule.
Khushi is already dancing. Khushi is already dancing there.
Okay, so no, that's for real. Only then I'll announce who is the actual winner. Okay. Okay. So next number. 44.
Bingo! Bingo! Bingo!
So who's this?
Shruti Bhai.
Shruti Pai. Can you tell me your number, please?
019.
019. Shruti Pai, can you sing a song or do something for us?
What?
Even a rap will do.
Yeah. No? Yes? You want to do it?
I could sing. I just don't know what song to sing.
Okay, whichever Nitin says, that one.
No.
You sing anyone which you like.
Yeah, whichever you like.
Okay, I'll just do a song from The Lion King.
All right.
Okay, I'll just sing a little bit. Okay. Can you feel the love tonight? The peace the evening brings. The world for once in perfect harmony with all its living things.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Hey.
Good one, Shruti Pai. Congratulations, you have won the third full house. And since your song was very nice, we'll take away Prakash Prabhu's prize and give it to you as well.
Nitin, Prakash nimgilara?
Prakash na tumra singing competition jalna hota hai.
Wow, wait.
Prakash ne otto ek middle row mas sangila, middle line in life.
Why?
Next ticket free मिळतं ना.
Okay, हा मत सगळ्यांक winner सांगेल नाव सांगता. So winners, please ping me or Preeti which email address should we send the money to through PayPal. I'll just read out the names. So for Jaldi 5, the winners are Diksha Kamath, Trupti Kamath, and Trushant Kalyanpur. Congratulations. Then for the first row, it is Prashant Shenoy. Middle row is Prakash Prabhu. And the bottom row is won by 3 people. Just a minute. Suresh Nayak, Prithvi Bhatt, Tripti Pai. And Bingo Full House is won by Sudhir Bhatt. And the second full house won by Deepak Pai. And the third full house is won by Shruti Pai. So congrats everyone.
So since we couldn't give away the Tesla, it will go to the host.
Million ma'am, to gal Tesla diun sodra Nitin bhai ka.
Okay, over to you, Kedar.
Yes. So thank you everyone for joining for the bingo night. Our next bingo night will be after a month. So next week we have planned for Kapoor special. Kapoor special, any Kapoor you can select to sing a song on. So we will send you the details. And the following weekend on Saturday, we have planned for Dumb Charads night. So we will send the details for both of them soon. Probably tomorrow we'll be sending you the details. So thank you everyone. And thanks Nitin for being such a wonderful host.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Good
Thank
job.
you,
everyone. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Kedar, Preeti, Nitin, everyone. Manohar.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
It was a great fun.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks.